Let's go to file this Hassan Kul. Okay, send. This is my number. Okay, this is the call. The assistant Bella call me. This is the same number. If I go to Vapi, you'll notice that the same number of Bella here is the same in my screen. So I will hear and talk with it.
Hello, I'm Bella. How can I help you today with schedule appointment?
Hi Bella, welcome. I need to schedule appointment.
Awesome, I can help with that. What date and time are you looking to schedule your appointment?
The next
And do you have any specific?
The next Friday, March 28, 2025 at 10 p.m.
March 28th, 2025 at 10 p.m., right? And could you please provide your full name and contact number?
My full name is Hassan Kul. My contact number is 0757752428.
Got it. So just to recap, your name is Papaya Beans, and you want to schedule an appointment for Friday, March 28th, 2025 at 10 p.m. with the contact number 07577522428. I'll get that sorted for you. Just a sec. Thank you. I'm currently processing your appointment. Please wait a moment. Your appointment has been successfully scheduled for Friday, March 28, 2025 at 10 p.m. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Okay, thank you. It's all.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else in the future, just give me a shout. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Thank you. Bye. Okay, now we will start with Tally. Okay, we'll create a small form like that. Okay, if you go to Tally, the link will be in description. You want to create a new form, you can click here. Okay, and add your title here. You can see fill out the form. Our assistant will call you in a few moments. Okay, and here you can add a field for number, full name. Also, you can add another field for phone number, phone number, and maybe the last field for email, like that. That's it. White email. You can change this name if you don't want to click on it. You can change register or get call. You can get call. Okay, and publish. Okay, publish. Once you publish, you will get a link, and you can use it in any website you want. But here you want to create an integration. We'll integrate our webbook. The first thing we'll integrate here is a webbook. So you do one click here. You go to N8N, N8N, and if you don't have it, you can create an account. It's free for 14 days. Okay, and once you are in the dashboard, you can do one click here to create a new workflow. Okay, here you want to add a webbook. If you do one click in the plus icon, you can add a webbook. And here, the first thing, you must choose post. You can change this for Tally form because the data come from Tally. And when you write here, you see your link. Post link is very simple. So you can go in Tally and paste it here. This link you copy one click and paste it here. So now you can connect it, and you want to send event to check. So you do one click here. Before you send an event, you must go to put it in test mode and send the event and check the green text, and it's okay. you have get information from Tally. So your webbook is connected with your Tally. So now you can send, if someone get the link of your form and a customer want to get a call, you can add and configure the before we send. You must put it in test mode. After configure it, you will put it in active and it will work without always put it in the test mode. So we can send this information to our webbook. If I do a click here, you'll see we have assigned the name, the phone, and the email here. We'll pin this information because we don't want to always fill a new form to get data from Tally. We want to save this data here by click here to pin it. If I click here, I can pin it, and every moment I need it, I just make test workflow and it will come. Okay, this is the first part, Tally creation. So now we'll connect this information from Tally form. We'll save it in Airtable. So you can do one click here and add a Airtable. Okay, and use maybe and create or update a record. Okay, or you can create a record. Yes, create a record because we want to send data. And here you must create a new credential. To create a new credential, the link in below, you click on the link to create a token and you'll get access here. Before that, you must create a Airtable account. Okay, it's totally free. You must go to airtable.com and create your account. Once you create an account in Airtable, you can create different database here. Okay, if you do want to click here, create, and from scratch you'll be able to create a database here. Okay, and after that you do want to click here to create a name, and it's done. You'll create some information here. In this course, let me show you better. So here we create here a new table. We'll name it register for calling. Okay, save it. Maybe you must to create full name because we have this same information in our Tally form. Full name, phone number, email. Okay, you want to get this same information in our database. So save. Here we have full name and phone number. Let me find phone number here and save. Here we have an email. Let me find email here, and it's done. You can save, you can keep this status, edit it, and you want to delete this, add, call it with a green color, add another, and call it with a yellow color if you want, or save it. Okay, so you have some information here. Let me delete those. Right click and delete them. Okay, this is the same information we have on our Tally. Okay, if someone submit, he must go directly to save information here. So let's try it. Okay, if you go to your N8N now, you want to find API key for this. If you add your Airtable, you want to find API key. If you go to the description, you get access to this page where you can create a new API. So you do one click here and you name your API like that, and click here and add all information here. After that, click here and choose the database. This here, and this is the data. Or you can add all database you have in your you have in your Airtable, select all. After that, click on create token, copy this token code, go to your N8N and paste it here. Let me put a new credential and paste it here and save it, and it's done. Now if you do one click, you'll see all the database you have in Airtable. You can choose where you want to register all information, and here you want to select the submit, the email value, the number, phone, and the name value. Put it here, and it's done. Status, you can click on uncall it, and after that, if you do one click, you'll notice that if we want, we can directly do a test. Double click here and pan it, and we will do a real case. Copy the link, go to your work, add it and .com, and put it in test mode. And when Adams will submit, normally those information must go to Airtable. So let's check it. Okay, Adams, all is good from N8N, and we can spin the Adams information here. So it's good. So now after that, we want to add in HTTP request. With the HTTP request, we will have to call customers. Okay, here we want to find information to configure this HTTP connected with Vapi. Okay, if you go to Vapi AI.ai, you'll get access to this dashboard. First, you must create your account, register, and after that, you'll get access to the assistant area where you can create many assistants. Here I have already created an assistant that name is Bella and configured it. In this preview video, I've created the same, so you can check my previous video, link in the description, to understand how I have created this assistant. And this assistant is connected with my workflow, this workflow here. So I have already created this workflow in the preview video. The link in the description, you can check it. We'll do a test and you'll understand what we can do with this assistant. Let me show you the test here when the assistant will call a users. So let's go. One test.
Hello, I'm Bella. How can I help you today with schedule appointment?
Hi Bella, my name is Asankul and I want to schedule an appointment.
Hey Asankul, nice to meet you. What kind of appointment are you looking to schedule? And do you have a specific date and time in mind?
Yes, my specific day is the next Friday, 28 March 28, 2025 at 9 p.m. And this appointment is for a work with my friend.
Got it. Just to double check, you want to schedule an appointment for March 28th, 2025 at 9 p.m. for work with a friend. What's your contact number, just in case?
My contact number is 0757752428.
Thanks, Asankul. And could you please share your full name for the appointment?
My full name is Hassan Kul.
Thank you. I am currently processing your appointment. Please wait a moment. All set, Hassan. Your appointment is scheduled for March 28th, 2025 at 9 p.m. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need help later, just give me a shout. Have a great day.
Thank you. So this is the test here. When the assistant will call a users, this is the communication. This assistant is for schedule appointment, and you can configure it for any other task you want. Okay, and I've already created the assistant and this workflow in my last video. Check the link in the description and try to do it, and we continue. Okay, now if you will return to our first workflow where we want to configure this HTTP, we'll do it in Vapi. For that, we must give a number to Bella. So you must go to phone number to create a number, and Bella will use this number to call users. Okay, so this is the number I've already buy in Twilio. If you do one click here to create a phone number, you have a Vapi free number, and sometimes it don't work. So I think you must go to buy or get a number from Twilio. Sometimes you buy with your credit card, but sometimes it's free. Let me show you. If you go to Twilio, here in Twilio, you create an account. You can use Google. If you get access, Twilio will give you some money to buy number for tests. Okay, so in the account dashboard, you can click on phone number and manage phone number, active number. Okay, and here maybe you have a free number that Twilio give you. You can click on it and release it. Okay, if you go to property, you can release this number and don't use it, and you must buy a new number, and it's free. If you click on buy number, you get access in the list of number. You have many number to buy one, and you have USA number. Check the voice because we want to use the voice, and there are many here. You can look for your preference, but you must check if the number have those icons, and you can choose the first if you want buy, because I've choose the first for my case, and click on buy. Okay, some number is cheaper, but many have the same prices. Okay, you click here to buy it. Okay, and you have some money in your free account. You can use it for free without add your credit card. And once you buy a number, you must go to the number, active number, and see it. You'll notice that your configuration that's here is different from me. You must copy it, this configuration, click on your number. Okay, go down, right here webbook, and paste the link here. Okay, check if you have the same information like me here, and here maybe you don't have this information. Try to get it, screenshot, or go to ChatGPT, screenshot and set it to extract this text for you and paste it here. Okay, after that you go down, you click on save configuration, and your number will be ready to call users. Okay, sometime depending of your country, depending of the country where you want to call users, the number can't call this country. Let me show you something. If you go to your permission, you'll notice that there are many countries here, and some country can't be called. For example, here, Ivory Coast. Okay, you'll notice that this country has a low risk and high risk, and some countries have those configuration. So you must go to check it and check it and save. Go to high risk and check it. Sometimes to check and low risk there is an issue, but if you want to check the high risk, you notice that Twilio will ask you to go to Pro plan. We'll go to Pro plan, and after that you must configure your account. For those steps, you can get help from ChatGPT and you know how to do that. This is how I have success to call this country. Okay, and after that, if you go to your dashboard, after all things here, you go to your dashboard, you'll see you have some information here to send to Vapi. If you do one click to copy this first, you can go to Vapi, paste it here, go to find this second in Twilio, copy this code, paste it here, and copy your number. You can paste it here or add a name, but here you must paste your number. And if you click here, it will be import from Twilio to Vapi. I have already do that. Okay, this is my number here. So here you can, maybe you have many assistants, you can choose one. Okay, I have said how to create an assistant in the last video, you can check it. Okay, I have choose Bella for call users. Also here I must choose Bella. Okay, after that all is okay. So now we are ready to connect all our HTTP with the new phone number. For that you must go to documentation, go to API reference, and you must click on create call. Okay, the configuration will be here. If you click on create call, you must click on try it. Okay, here click on in this right, and you must find a token. The token you can find it here. If you go to here, click on setting here, API key, copy this API key, go to here and paste it here. Is the first. When you add it here, you'll see the information is here. Okay, and you can close. So now here, do one click and you will add some information. We need assistant ID, we need phone number ID, we need a customer here, and we need some information about this customer, maybe his name and his number, and it's all. So for assistant ID, we can find it in Vapi. If you go to the assistant, you'll notice that you have assistant ID here. Copy it and paste it in the assistant ID. You'll see the code here. Also for the phone ID, go to phone number, choose Bella, your phone number from Twilio, copy it and paste it in the phone here, and you notice that it's here, and all is okay. So for the name and number, we'll use the form, okay, this tally form to send name and number. So if I go to my Vapi here, I can copy this configuration code, go to N8N and go to click here to with HTTP here. We want to configure it, choose pause and click here and paste the code and save it and put it. You notice that we have API, you have URL here, and you have those information, and do one click here to add this content type / content type, and here you must write application that JSON like that, and you must go down. First we must change this before copy those information, because it will go. If you click here, you must copy it, Command E, Command C to copy it and change this for all, and you'll notice that you will go click here, replace it, Command V, and change this text, add this text here, application / JSON, and it's done. So here you want to add information from Vapi. Okay, so and go down, go here choose this value and put it in number. Okay, let me check. This is the number. Okay, and value, and also go to find the name if you want. Value and paste it here. Okay, if you check here, you have the name and the number. All is okay. So now when we will fill this form, we'll get a call from our Bella assistant. So let's check. Let's go to file this Hassan call. Okay, send. This is my number. Okay, this is the call. The assistant Bella call me. This is the same number. If I go to Vapi, you'll notice that the same number of Bella here is the same in my screen. So I will hear and talk with it.
Hello, I'm Bella. How can I help you today with schedule appointment?
Hi Bella, welcome. I need to schedule appointment.
Awesome, I can help with that. What date and time are you looking to schedule your appointment?
The next
And do you have any specific?
the next Friday, March 28, 2025 at 10 p.m.
March 28th, 2025 at 10 p.m., right? And could you please provide your full name and contact number?
My full name is Hassan Kul. My contact number is 0757752428.
Got it. So just to recap, your name is Papaya Beans, and you want to schedule an appointment for Friday, March 28th, 2025 at 10 p.m. with the contact number 07577522428. I'll get that sorted for you. Just a sec. Thank you. I'm currently processing your appointment. Please wait a moment. Your appointment has been successfully scheduled for Friday, March 28, 2025 at 10 p.m. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Okay, thank you. It's all.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else in the future, just give me a shout. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Thank you. Bye. And all, it is all. This is the complete, the full tutorial here, how you can create an assistant and call users to talk about your business or anything you want. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you to the next video.